I hate this channel.
No! No!
Slowly kisses passing by the river. I've been missing your strawberry kiss, 'cause nothing as sweet the taste still drive me crazy. My strawberry kisses.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reesie. This is my beauty channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit that red button down below, turning on your post notifications, and hashtagging Reesie Gang to join the fam. I'm here to help you guys slay. If you have any ideas that you would like to see on my channel, don't forget to comment that down below as well. Today I'm going to be redecorating my room. As you can see, I have a different backdrop because I already redecorated. As you know, TikTok be having all the ideas. So if you want to know what I did to my room and how I did it with all the details, all the links, all the information that you guys been asking for, then stay tuned. Bye.
That's good.
So now we are moving on to the fun part. Now that everything is cleaned and we're working with a wall, a clean wall at that, I bought some Amazon brick paper. I'm going to be using these pins to hold up my grass panels. Check out my official DIY grass wall for under $150 on my YouTube channel. It'll be linked up in the comments and in the description if you want more info about that. So the tools that I'm using is a box cutter, a makeup palette, and some more pins. So I'm going to take these pins to hold up my place where the wallpaper is going to lay. Now I'm going to take my box cutter and I'm going to cut the wallpaper and then pin that place up as well so I don't lose my spot. So now I am going to remove the sticky part and place the wallpaper on the wall. I used my makeup palette because that's the only flat edge surface that I have that actually works really good. You can use a book or, you know, whatever you have in your house. So basically it just helps with flattening out and making sure everything and all the bubbles are out of the way. I basically do it a little bit at a time. I take the sticky part out. I don't do it all at once because it's just me doing this by myself. So now I'm getting to the bottom, and that's basically how you put wallpaper on. It's not perfect. I'm not putting this on perfect, you guys. I'm trying to do the best I can, but you know, it still turned out bomb. So if I could do it, you definitely can do it. As you can see, I have a pin at the bottom to hold my spot. Here's a little trick that I did. I put the pins halfway or a little bit down so I don't lose my spot when I try to take the sticky part off. So that's something, you know, maybe you didn't think of doing before doing wallpaper by yourself or whatever, but I helped you out, okay? So I'm just gonna let this go. It's self-explanatory, you guys. As you can see, this is dangerous. Don't do this at home if you are a child, because you shouldn't put any sharp object in your mouth. But you know, I'm doing it by myself and it's easier to put. I added some curtain lights. Everything will be linked down below. I'm just going to continue to add this wallpaper. I did buy 2 rolls and it fit like a wall and a half. So if you're trying to do a whole room, I suggest doing maybe 4 or 5 rolls purchasing. This is like $25 each, so I felt like that was a really good deal. And yeah, I'm just going to let you guys watch the rest of this video. If you're interested in any of the items and want more detail, check out my small room aesthetic video as well in the comments and in the description.
Blow back,